how you can log in into your Emirates Airlines employee account. Now this is really easy, and before I show you how it's done, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. I use Google Chrome. After you do that, type in Emirates Airlines employee login. After you do that, several links will open up. The one you want to click on is this right here, emiratesstaff.com. Now it might take some time to load up depending on your internet speed, but after it loads up, this should come up right here. So as you can see, there are two options. One is to select if you're an active employee. The other is if you're an ex-employee or a retired employee. Let's just click on active employee, and here you can see you need to type in your employee number without S. Type in your EPIN, enter the code shown below, and then just type in your EPIN right here from here, and just click on login. And after you click on login, you will be able to log in into your Emirates Airlines account. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to follow for more. Bye bye.